Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 6.0 on AlmaLinux 9 server. AlmaLinux 9, this is latest release from Alma repo. This is my server IP address, RAM, disk space, PHP version must be used 7.2, MySQL 8.0 must be. This is my host name. I am checking server version and IP address using this command. This is AlmaLinux 9.6 and this is my IP address. It should be your server update and upgrade. Now update using DNF option Y, upgrade command. If my server upgrade done, so this is complete. Yes, this is complete my upgrade. Now download RPM package for Zabbix 6.0 and then run dnf clean command, clean all, and then php switch to 8.2 version. Press Y for accept. Complete. Now install this main script for install Zabbix Server SQL Zabbix Nginx conf. I am using web server for Nginx. I can press Y. All script installation done. Next step, install MySQL database and configure root password. DNF install MySQL server MySQL. Database complete, installation done. Now start MySQL reset. Then enable MySQL D service. Enable MySQL D. Then check status 6 seconds ago. Okay. Now reset MySQL root password using MySQL terminal. MySQL terminal, by default a root password is blank. This is for password reset command plus privilege, and then step 3, create password for Zabbix user. Create the database name Zabbix_db, username Zabbix_user, and user password is Zabbix@123. You can replace your password from here as your choice. Then run this command using one command. Then going to step 4, import database, default database using this. Sometime this location cannot find from Zabbix official, and then type password, default database import. It will take up to 1 to 5 minutes, then automatically end this command. This is Zabbix 6.0. I think next version this location is changed. Default database import done. Now disable lock bin trust function using again login MySQL terminal using root password. Then run this command. Okay, add database name, user and password into this server configuration file. Scroll down and see DB name and DB user. This is Zabbix and Zabbix, but I am created different DB name and different user, so it should be comment this default section and enter input my created database info. Step 6, set up Nginx web server. Open this file and remove this 2 hash mark and going to server name. Server name should be your IP address, or if you use your public domain, so it should be use domain name, and port should be 80. 80 is the web default port. Step 7, restart and enable all services using this command. This is restart command. All services successfully restart, and this is enable command. All services enable successfully done. Next step, firewall setting. This is the very important part for AlmaLinux. At first start firewall and then run this command for allow 80 for web port, 443 for HTTPS, 10050. This is for Zabbix data send and get port, and 10051. Both port are use Zabbix. Then firewall reload, already reload. And the next step, SELinux. SELinux, the second firewall, it should be disabled. This, then save and exit, and then must be reboot your server, otherwise SELinux policy not working properly. After reboot, now access your server IP address and complete web installation process. Now I am going to this web browser for coming web installation. Welcome to Zabbix 6.0. All status is okay. If you see any error, so you cannot process next step. This is important 3 things for configure DB connection: DB name, DB user, and I have created DB user password. This is Zabbix user password. Next step, you can type any name and default time zone. You can change theme from here. Next step, pre-installation summary. Next step, finish. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend configuration file saved into etc Zabbix web and zabbixconf.php. After successfully done web installation, then log into dashboard. Default login, username is admin. Click finish. Username is admin, must be a capital, otherwise cannot log in this system, and password is Zabbix. Successfully installation done. Zabbix server is running. Server version 6.0.4. You can find more tutorial from my YouTube channel for setup, host, SMTP, media type, Gmail configuration, and trigger for any host is down or CPU RAM high. then you can set up trigger. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.